Hello guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to make hold on. I'll just get this out of my way. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make smooth movement in Scratch. First of all, I'm not gonna use the actual Scratch website. I'm just gonna do it quickly with the Scratch desktop app. So it's loading. Sorry if you heard something on the microphone. I just ate some Papa Murphy, so the microphone is probably greasy because I have my mouth at the microphone. So heading over to Scratch, get any sprite you want. I'll just get, or make your own sprite, I don't know. I'll just get this ball. And then go over to variables. Make a variable. And if you're also making a level, make it for the sprite only, but since I'm not doing anything, only doing the sprite movement, I'll just do for all sprites. Name X, which stands for X, and then make Y, which stands for Y velocity. You can have them on, but it would show this right here, so I just have them off. So then go to here, put this out. When flag clicked, do show, and then go motion and make it so it will go to the center, which is X0, Y0. I'll go to that. Then go to forever. If put two of if here, then sensing, and put two of these here in sensing. Make the first one right and the second one left. Go variables and put this here and make them both X. Make the first one 1 and make the other one -1. Next go to set X to X times 0.9. That will add the sliding. Then put an X out and go change X by X. So now we've made the side-by-side movement. Now we need the up and down. So right click this first one and duplicate, then put it under the change X by X. Make this up and make the next one down. Change all these to Y. So then it'll do that. Hold on, I'm gonna check out. Wait, I can't. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna try this quickly because Screencastify has a 5-minute limit. Okay, so change all these to Y. So then go here, change Y by, oh god, Y. Okay, it's ending in like 25 seconds, but you can see you did this. You can also add a trail. I guess I'll put that in another video. Like the next one, it'll probably be in like right after I make this, but 10 seconds. I hope you enjoy. And I guess bye. It's ending in 1 second.